Hello kids! Today is our 22nd day of drawing class. Today we will learn to draw some more community helpers. At first, we will draw a teacher. Wow, it is so easy to draw. A teacher is a guide who shapes minds and inspires futures. Then we will draw a postman. Wow, it is so easy to draw. A postman delivers messages and connects people with their loved ones. Then we will draw an astronaut. Wow, it is so easy to draw. An astronaut explores space and uncovers the mysteries of the universe. Then we will draw a nurse. Wow, it is easy to draw. A nurse cares for the sick and brings comfort and healing. Okay kids, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.